In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cloudflare DNS. Once you're inside your Cloudflare dashboard, locate the domain you want to set up the DNS records, click on the three dots located at the right, and click on Configure DNS. If your domain doesn't appear here, it means you have to first add the domain. Don't worry, I'm going to link a video in the description where I'll show you step by step how to add a domain to Cloudflare. As you can see, I don't have any records yet, and when I go to my website, it shows an error saying that my website can't be reached. This is because I need to add a record with the IP address of my website. I have my site hosted on DigitalOcean, so first I need to log in into my account and get my website IP address. I'm going to copy this address. To find out your website IP, you can Google Find My Website IP Address in GoDaddy. This query gives you the instructions to find your website IP. If your hosting company is not GoDaddy, just replace GoDaddy with your hosting company. It could be Bluehost, Hostinger, Google Domains, or any other company. You can also contact your hosting support and ask them for instructions to find your website IP. Once you have your IP, click on Add Record, select A type record, where it says name type the @ symbol, and where it says IP address, paste your IP and click on Save. Since some people will go to your domain using www, we need to add another record. Click on Add Record again and select a CNAME record. In the name text box, type www, and where it says IP type the @ symbol again and click on Save. Now it's just a matter of waiting a couple of hours to let the records propagate on the internet. Congratulations! Now you know how to set up Cloudflare DNS. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.